everybody. How are you? Here we are once again in my craft room. Hi, I wanted to say hello to you first of all, and I wanted to thank all of my new subscribers and all of the people that have stayed with me, my ride or dies, since the very beginning. I love each and every one of you guys. We are going to have a wonderful season of DIYs. And I kicked off the first DIY for Christmas with the altered Dollar Tree plaque with the snowman. Adorable. I love the way Dollar Tree is stepping up their game when it comes to their different plaques. And I'm also going to be doing one with the Santa Claus, the real vintage looking Santa Claus. So be on the lookout for that. I wanted to tell you that I'm going to also be doing one sewing project, and this is going to be a fun one as well. A couple Hobby Lobby inspired DIYs I'll be doing, and a boatload of the faux treats. I'm also going to be doing my Christmas home tour collaboration, and I'm not sure about the date yet. I was going to do the end of November, but Thanksgiving is so late this year, I don't know that I'm going to do that. I may wait until the first weekend of December, which would, I think, would be the 6th is on a Friday. So I think I might do that, but I will come back to let you know for sure. So I just wanted to let you know a little bit about what was going to be going on my channel, and I can't wait to be able to share these with you, and I hope that I inspire you enough that you will make some of your own. I also would like everyone that does watch my YouTube videos, if you do like them, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and also the bell so you'll be notified when I do a new DIY. Guys, I want to thank you so much for being so supportive of me and showing so much love to me. It really is appreciated, more than you'll ever know. Guys, until next time, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There is only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.